Okay, it is showing that I'm live. Let me just recheck. It is not reconnecting now. No, it is not. Just a second. Yeah, it is showing that I'm live. Let me share my screen. This is of Geeks for Geeks, right? Okay. Hmm, I think my screen is visible. Okay, great. Let me just read the problem statement now. Okay, I've solved this question once. No issues. Ah, given an array consisting of positive integers, your task is to find the length of the longest subarray that contains at most two distinct integers. Okay, the entire array contains at most two distinct integers. Okay, great. The longest subarray containing at most two distinct integers are 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay, great. This expected time complexity is O of n auxiliary space 1. Okay, great. So what we can do is uh, we can start from this index. Okay, and we can keep a map like structure. Okay, and starting from the very first element, we'll check how many distinct elements are here. Okay, and also we'll add this element into our map. Okay, just let me think. I don't have a copy and a pen. No issues. Let me just think. If I'll start from the very first index, right? What is going to happen? Mm, uh, the first element, okay, is 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 2, 2. Longest subarray. One thing I can do is I can just literally uh, sort the array and check which two have the most occurrence. This will give us the array. That's it. Mm, we can do it, okay, because uh, mm, there's no need making another. Let's see if this idea works or not. Sort a double r dot begin comma a double r dot end. Okay, and for and I is equal to 0, I is smaller than uh, we don't need to sort the element also, we just have to find the longest subarray. Okay, just the length. So int maxi. Okay, what I'll do, I'll keep a vector of frequencies. Okay, which is going to be 26 comma 0, and I'll just add it x of a double r, frequency of x minus a plus plus. Now auto x of frequency. Okay, maximum is equal to uh, maximum is equal to max of maximum comma x. Great. Now again second maximum we have to find for if x is not equal to maximum mm, maximum is equal to uh, max of mm, maximum comma x. Now just return the value of अच्छा हाँ return the value of let's see if this idea works or not. Okay, let's see. I'm just thinking this should work. I don't know. Output is 0. Maximum is equal to max of maximum comma x. My output is 0. What are you talking about? X minus a plus plus. Ah, okay. Acha, sorry. I don't have. Sorry. My fault. Uh, in place of this, I'll just keep map of end comma end mp. Okay. Mm, sorry. For auto x of a double r mp of x plus plus. ठीक है. Now x of uh, mac mp just maximum of यार maximum of x comma max of x dot x of 1. Okay, yeah, great. Now this time I have to check that it is not equal to x of 0. Okay, x is not equal to uh, end comma end pair of end comma end p if maximum is smaller than x of 1, just go into this and p dot 2 or I used pair, it is not necessary. Ind is equal to x of 0, maximum is equal to x of 1. Great. Now if x of 0 is not equal to Ind, second maximum is equal to just max of second maximum and x of 1. Great. Now just return the value of these things instead of this. Okay. MP, let's see if this is working or not now. Maybe some compilation errors. Compilation error. IND. and is equal to 0. Let me check if this is working or not. Again compilation error. My compilation error is there. And is equal to x of 1. Hmm? I think. Mm, uh, dot first dot second x dot first. Okay, let me check if now this is working or not. Yeah, it worked, but I don't know for all the cases it is going to work or not. Just think. Okay, what is the correct output? It is going to be 4. Okay, what the occurrence of 5? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 occurrence of 5 and एक minute. One second. What was the at most two distinct integers, right? At most two distinct integers. So how it didn't work? One second. One second. Let me again check. At most two distinct integers, right? At most. So 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and take any one of them. So yeah, longest is 5. So why it is showing that the answer is 4, containing at most two distinct integers. If anyone is seeing, can you please tell me why, which edge case I am missing? Because I think I'm not getting an edge case. If I'll just be clear about what the problem statement is. Okay, just let me think of this in more detail. Longest subarray. At most two distinct integers. So I can have minimum of 1 and 2, right? So if I'll have minimum of 1, will I be able to mm, like just think? Okay, I have to find the subarrays. Okay, rather than doing any sliding window or any map or anything like that, I just use a map and taken the maximum to, because I just wanted to know the like answer, right? Okay, let's solve it by another method, by using window, sliding window. Okay, in this also we'll do the same thing, like if the window size is greater than 2, we'll just shrink the window like that. Let's see if this that idea is going to work or not. If anyone have any idea why that solution didn't work, please enlighten me. Okay, so we are going to start from the very first index. So we are going to have I is equal to 0 comma j is equal to 0 comma n is equal to e double r dot size. Okay, now while simple j is smaller than n, what we have to do, I have to just increase the value of e double r of j plus plus. Okay, now check that do we have like if mp dot size is greater than 2, do we have more than two distinct elements or not? If this is the case, mp of phi minus minus. Okay, mp of I minus minus, that's it. Okay, and like I is going to be at the left and j is going to be at the right, and what if that ith element is going to be 0? So we'll just remove that, because we are just calculating the size of the map, right? So if it is 0, no need to keep it, just remove it. Okay, so uh, okay, in this loop only, if mp dot sorry mp of a double r of I, mp of a double r of I equal to 0. Okay, if this is equal to 0, just erase mp dot erase mp sorry e double r of I. Great. Now what? I'll just move the left index. Okay, great. Also, we have to keep track of the answer, right? So answer is equal to max of answer comma j minus I plus 1. That's it. Increase the value of j, return the value of answer also comma. So what we are doing is we are just keeping our map, starting from the very first element, adding it into the map, and checking if we have two distinct elements. Just keep adding. If the size of the map is greater than 2, shrink our window size from left side, and just keep the answer, like which is greater, j minus I plus 1 or the previous answer. So yeah, it is the basic idea of how you find a map. Like, okay, this is going to work, it is not a big deal. But why that idea didn't work? Okay, it is also not working. 6698. Let me just think and see where I did wrong. While j is smaller than n, mp of j plus plus. Okay, if map dot size is greater than 2, uh, mp of e double r of I minus minus. Great, greater than 2, e double r of I minus minus. if MP of E double R of I equal to 0, P of phi equal to 0, MP dot erase E double R of I. Okay, great. Size answer is equal to maximum of answer comma J minus I plus 1. Answer plus plus. Okay, let me just see if why this is not working. J plus plus answer is equal to 0. Starting from 0, J is more than N. Yeah. If MP dot size is greater than 2, MP of A double R of I minus minus. Great. If MP of MP dot size, if MP of A double R of I equal to 0, MP dot is this and increase the value of I. Yeah. Okay. I'm incrementing the value of I here. Okay. If this is greater than 0, greater than 2, increment the value of I here. Let me see if this is working or not. This test case. Yeah. Okay. This should work now. Yeah. This is working, but my question still lies in why that that approach was not working. This one, like, I don't know, because I think that was a pretty good logic, but mm, I'll just check. Let me just check, okay, if why this solution is not working, because I'll keep thinking about it. Okay, uh, it was subarray, not subsequence. Oh my gosh, it was array, not subsequence. I'm sorry, my fault, my fault. Okay, thank you so much. I thought if it would have been subsequence, this logic would have worked without any single doubt. Thank you so much for watching.